because everywhere in Gaudiya Shastras and outside in other Shastras, Acharyas always emphasize Guru. But the problem is, because Guru is tangible, we can see Guru, feel Guru, talk to Guru, and serve Guru. So then we take the Guru lightly. But something we can't see, like we can't see God, there's so many great things written about God, and everyone accepts, any pious person believes in God, accepts God. So he has a sense of, oh, I can be subordinate to God, I can submit to God, I can surrender to God, I can cry out to God. But to be subordinate to some man or some lady, or surrender to some man or some lady, or to cry out or pray to some man or some lady, that's a little difficult for most people. Because then they start measuring, because no one can measure God, because they can't see Him. You can only understand, we learn about God and we read about God and we pray to God, but we haven't really perceived Him or seen Him, so we can't really say He's good or He's bad or He's smart or He's stupid, or we can't get very close to God. But the human form of God, the Guru, lady, gent, whoever they are, sadhvi or sadhu, we can get very close, and then we see, oh, they're human like me. They eat and they belch and they pass stool and they sleep and they get sick and they complain. And I get angry. I say, oh, he's angry. Why is Guru angry? Prabhupada was in a Pandal program, and in Hyderabad or somewhere, I don't know, some bad place, some other bad place, many bad places, whatever, Baghdad or whatever, somewhere. And then people were yelling things at the ladies, because there were many Western people, disciples with him, on a Pandal program. So Prabhupada got very angry. He said, hey, stop this, And he got angry. And seemed to be angry. So then somebody raised their hand during questions. Swamiji, you are a Jagat Guru, you're a big famous Guru, but how you became angry? How is he became angry? And Prabhupada became more angry. Prabhupada became more angry with the question, actually. He said, listen, sit down. He said, you ever heard of Ramchandra? And everybody said, Jai Shri Ram. You know Hanuman? Yeah. Hanuman is a great devotee, Dasyarati Hanuman. He became so angry, he practically burned down the universe when Ram told him that his wife was kidnapped by Ravana, the Rakshas. So then he used that anger, he became so angry against the non-devotional element, Hanuman. He's glorified and honored everywhere. So he said, he's a devotee of Ram and I am a devotee of Krishna. So I also become angry if someone insults the devotees or insults the Lord. So this is transcendental anger. It's for the Lord's service.